our favourite place, East Market, for breakfast.
Another glory.
Indeed. So beef sausage, crispy fried chicken, some pork.
Stir fried beef.
Is that stir fried beef?
Yeah.
Okay, stir fried beef and rice, and a nice spicy omelette. I've actually gone for more traditional, pastry based and slash fruit. Rachel's speeding off, ready to cool her feet down on, because this floor was actually really hot. I'm wearing sandals. I learned from yesterday. She could have chosen to cool her feet off with that, but no, she's ploughed through, heading straight to some shade. Oh no, straight to the beach. Oh, here we go. Now she's cooling her feet off. Better? Look at all the fishes! We've come to the north side of the island because there's more of a breeze, and we found these little bean bags. Doesn't feel quite so boiling at the moment. So pole and back to base. Hold on. Like, probably hold on. Ready? Okay. It's all in there.
Actually,
You knocked it.
you know how much I'm long enough to get in there?
Ooh. Bottle of rosé wine. Do you want a bottle? Just got back to the villa, just to kind of freshen up a little bit. It's coming up to about 12:30 now, and shortly we're going to be heading off to the ice cream place. Get ourselves a nice big tub of ice cream. The weather is absolutely baking today. I really want to take my shirt off to cool down a bit more and go in the sea, but I know from yesterday that's probably not a good idea, as I'll probably end up burning even more, making my burns a little bit worse. At least mine at the moment, although I'm red, I'm not sore, so I think I caught it at just the right stage.
Well, that's beautiful.
So it's Thursday evening. We're due to go for our honeymoon dinner at 7. Just finishing getting ready. Then we're going to make our way over to the lagoon, where we'll be presented with our dinner. And here's the finished article. Doesn't she look lovely?
Come on then. Come on, come on then.
As you can see, it's quite a clear night tonight. You can see that star. Very nice indeed.
现在你好，我去。
We're 20 minutes early for our meal, so we're just waiting around in the reception area, and then hopefully we'll be called to our meal shortly. Ooh, champagne sorbet. We got to our table on the beach. I think there's 8 of us due to have a meal, but only us are here at the moment. Just getting our drinks and just having a look at the stars which have come out. Don't think this camera will pick it up very well. But we're overlooking the sea and East Bar there. Not East Bar, yeah, East Bar. All the water villas that you can see. And that's the lagoon bar behind us. And this will be our food soon. They're getting all the grills ready. barbecuing for meat and salmon. So our starter is salmon. I'm not sure if you can see, but that's a red dot in the sky, which is the planet Mars. So we've just finished our 3-course meal and we're just going to head to East Bar now, probably grab a few alcoholic drinks before heading back to the villa. Very good, very good. We are in a bar, on a mattress, on a hammock, over the sea, soon to be with our cocktails.
I ordered passion and pineapple margarita.
Ooh. Very nice it is indeed.
The passion fruit in there.
And I ordered a White Russian. Just got to the dancing toilet. There's even a photo booth in the toilet. Stars in their eyes. What?
What is this?
What a lovely surprise coming back to the room finding another piece of sponge cake. Ooh, more cake.
It's like they knew you, Dan.
They know I like cake. We devoured that in seconds. All that remains is sleep, and then we start tomorrow with another day.